Want to hold different currencies or organize your money better? Let's add a new account in the Revolut app. Step 1. Open your Revolut app. Step 2. From the main dashboard, tap on Accounts at the bottom. Step 3. Tap the plus icon to add a new account. Step 4. You'll see a list of currencies. Tap the one you want, like US dollar, euro, pound, or even crypto. Step 5. Tap Add Account, and just like that, a new wallet appears in your list. Step 6. Want to personalize it? Tap the 3 dots on the account and select Rename or Set Default. Step 7. You can now send, receive, and hold funds in that currency, especially useful when traveling or receiving payments in another currency. Managing multiple currencies has never been easier. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more money smart tips.